Peace to the family. Peace to the family. Free Inhabitant. Chancellor Free Inhabitant back at you again. This is August 30th. August 30th, 2022. So you know I always come back with something. This is a little something just to show, just to give a little congrats to my boy, close friend, my boy. And he's also a student of mine. I wasn't gonna let him go down on this one. It was never gonna go down on it. He was charged originally with alleged intention to distribute CDS, which means controlled dangerous substance. And he beat his case thanks to my documents being able to make them try to show cause for their alleged complaints. So I just wanted to bring the family this good news, good information, just to show up that was given to him here in August. I've been was supposed to make these videos, but again, I don't be having time to be pushing all these videos out every time you turn around. This was an old offense that he was charged with, obstruction. They was assuming that he was distributing CDS, so-called drugs, where they gave him this disposition right here, certificate of disposition, where it says right here, no plea. He never made any plea. Said obstruction, brought it all the way down to government obstruction, all the way down to resistance arrest, from the officers and everything. But once again, he was never charged with none of these things. Neither was originally, we was allegedly being thought of, alleged that he was selling some type of drugs or whatever. Whatever the case was, they couldn't verify these claims, and that wasn't real. This case was being drugged all the way 2 years ago. 2 years ago. As you can see here, 9/10/2020. It's been drugged, but you notice right here where it say findings. It says DISM for dismissal, and then it got / others. So you can see clearly right here when they gave him the disposition date 8/10/2022. That's actually this month. You see what I'm saying? They gave it to him, but you notice that this document is not verifying the dismissal. So I told him, oh, no, family, go back down there and make sure you get from Miss Kimberly Milligans, who operates as the court clerk, as well as a court, deputy clerk, something similar to that fact. And look, you notice you don't see any signature, nor do you see any seals. So I made him go back down and get a different disposition in regards to this matter. So she wrote up by hand, same case from the municipal court here in New Brunswick. Jerome Hayes, driver's license N/A, family. You can see it right here rolled out. And for the ones you think this is not real, all the trolls who love getting on my feed, saying that anybody could have wrote this or typed this, family. Just for y'all saying that, I love to try to block out people, redact people's names and their information due to reprisal. I love doing that. But being that this is my boy, please feel free. I love it. Feel free to go look this case number up. Do me the favor. Go look, call him up while you're at it. Here got a number right here. Call him up. Just call him up and say, can you give me the disposition of this particular case? Ask them. They got a number right there. They got a case number right there. Complaint number. Ask them about it. And watch they say, yeah, it was dismissed. Count 1, dismissed. Count 2, dismissed. Came all the way down because they didn't have anything from the very first beginning. Let's go to that real quick. Let's go to the police report. Officer Flores. See this Officer Flores, family? These fraudulent cops that love telling lying stories. Look. Look, suspicion of motor vehicle possession of CDS activity. Huh? You gonna arrest him? Assault and battery him? Kidnap him? For assume possible CDS selling drugs? But you don't got no proof. You can't verify anything. Family, I really do this in real time. In real time. We beat this case. They thought he was selling drugs. Come to find out, after requesting for certain documents so we can suppress evidence in the matter of these so-called drugs. Look, August 11, 2022, Kimberly Milligan, I made him go back down and get it in written form. Made her get it in written form. And he do have the original seal and signature, but you can't really see it that much. But it's right here after making a copy of it and sending it to me. I said, send it to me. But you can clearly see it. Officer Alex Flores, the same one. This case has been dismissed. Family, the next move is lawsuit. I have a right to sue you now. That's called malicious prosecution, family. See that? Malicious prosecution. Now I'm doing a lawsuit up, family, for my boy, so we can sue them. We ain't letting them go. Look at this. Jerome Hayes, same brother, trial by jury. A. Flores, in his official and individual capacity. Jay Monticello, he lied and gave a statement that he was there. He turned around and changed his story up and said, I had nothing to do with this. I don't know anything about this. See, this is what happens when you start requesting for certain documents. And we're going to sue the state of New Jersey and the city of New Brunswick. You see what I'm saying? And the police department. You see that? Family, we're going to get them. We have the right to go after them now. We have the right to go after them now. See that? So I just wanted to say, Jerome, beautiful job, good job. Doing what I asked you to do when it was time to send them documents in. Standing firm, standing in your stead firmly, letting them know that, yo, they ain't got no verification. They can't prove anything. You haven't done anything. They don't have a claim against you. He did it, and he was able to come over it. So beautiful job. So family, I just wanted to bring y'all this video to let you know it's for all you trolls. If you don't think this is real, please feel free, family. The complaint number is right there. Please call. Please call. If you don't think it's real, call. But usually I would redact this, but this is my man. It's my boy, so, and student, so, you know, feel free, call. Let you know this has been dismissed. So this is another beautiful win, knockdown. So, trolls, feel free. I really do this in real time. I speak for myself, not for many. I do this for real time. Might be most underrated, but no one can't come close to duplicating it. You see that? So I'll be bringing more information to the family. All right, I just wanted to make a short video giving congratulations to my boy Jerome for this beautiful win with Municipal Court of New Brunswick and winning this case with this alleged drugs and whatever the crap that they're claiming that they had nothing on them. But the first incident is they tried it because they ain't got no case. They want to put drugs. Come on. They wanted, that's the first thing. Drugs is being allegedly sold. But yeah, you don't have no probable cause. You don't have indictment. You don't have no videos. You don't have anything. You don't have nothing. Nothing. But assumptions from the court. Now it's time to go in on them and get them for malicious prosecution. For those who don't know, when someone tries to come after you and you win the case, you have the right to sue for malicious prosecution. For those who don't know, anything about law, look it up and it'll show you that you have the right when you win or even if you lose. But if you win, and if so much that if you lose, if someone's claiming that you've done something and they trying to prosecute you for something, and if you win, you have the right to sue them and get compensated for damages that they've caused against you. And believe me, I'm going in on them. I'm gonna finish up the lawsuit, letting them know that he lost a lot of good jobs with his business that he has. He has his own business. He lost a lot of good jobs from this case right here. But it's been wrangling and going on for a few years now, and they ain't been having nothing on him. But now it's time to go in and sue him for dismissal. For once again, I'm not gonna hold this video up. Jerome, good job. On to the next one. All right? Family, peace out.